Hello, it's Vadim again from Motosill Garage channel on YouTube. Today I will continue talking about weaknesses of Honda Africa Twin XRV 750. First of all, I'll show you a pair of weaknesses you should definitely know about. Then I'll show you a hint how a speedometer should be maintained. The first weak place I would like to talk today about is rubber grommet, which is installed in the points of mounting of this aluminum protector to the frame of motorcycle. Due to high vibration of this aluminum protector, rubber grommets are totally destroyed, so you should replace those with new ones. Otherwise, the round hole inside this aluminum protector will change its shape to oval one, and the vibration will be more significant. Unfortunately, I didn't find a suitable replacement for these grommets, so I manufactured a new ones from this NBR material hose pipe. The next weak place I would like to talk also about is an axle shaft of the central stand. This shaft is made of pipe, but it's not a problem. The main problem is the wearing of contact surface in a joint with a central stand. Wearing degree could be easily estimated if to shake the motorcycle and to observe the loose fit between this shim washer and the frame of motorcycle. To improve this situation, you should put additional shim washer to the back side of this joint. The odometer of my Honda shows already 160,000 kilometers, and these pair of gears are still in good working condition. I'm cleaning a gear and casing inside a gasoline. Parts have been washed with gasoline, and if to look inside the casing you can see a worm which unfortunately has an axial displacement due to wearing during his long life. To determine the value of this wearing, you can check how deep this worm is inside the casing. New one sits like this, and after 150,000 kilometers it sits 3 millimeters deeper like this. Before the assembling, use a thicker layer of grease. If you really like this business I make, don't forget to subscribe.